So photoperiodism is a response of the plant in growth and development to the duration of day and night length. So that is known as photoperiodism. So this photoperiodism leads to the flowering of the plants and many other physiological changes. So how this photoperiodism occur for the formation of the flowering in plants, that we will see now. So first the plant observes the light. So that light depends upon whether it is a light having a more amount of photolight or less amount of photolight. So it observes the light, then there is a that light is observed by the plants leaves. Okay, so this leaves act as a photoperiod uh, response, and then this leads to the formation of a hormone known as phloregin. So this phloregin leads to the formation of flower bud. As a result, the flowering takes place. So here during that time when the leaves observes the photolight, so during that time they should not the flower doesn't takes place. So coming to the mechanism here, so this phytochrome occurs in two forms. One is PR form, another one is your PFR form. PR form observes the red light and the PFR forms observe the far red light. So here there is a formula for it. Okay, so it observes the red light, the PR form observes the red form. So what happened in short day plants, that we will see now. So PR form, PFR form, okay, so it observes the violet light and forms into PR form, and in this PR form is responsible for the flowering in short day plants. So in short day plants the PR form, okay, it will activate the phloregin hormone present in a plant, and as a result the flowering is taking place. So in case of PFR form in short day plants, that we will see now. So this PR will convert it into PFR by the red light, and this PFR is responsible for the flowering to be taken place in long day plants. Okay, so here the phloregin is activated, as a result the flowering is taking place. So to summarize this, okay, you have a PFR form and PR form. So in the presence of far red light, PFR is converted into PR form, okay, and in short day plants the phloregin is activated and flowering is taking place, and PR form during the sunlight it observes the red form and it is converted into PFR, and it leads to the flowering in long day plants by the activation of phloregin. Thank you.